Okay, we'll start our lesson today. We are going to do the second lesson. Is about accounting and finance. We'll go through. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
during our last lesson, we discussed about anything you remember? What we discussed? We discussed
Yes,
what is
the four financial statements, the profit and
yeah.
loss, balance sheet, cash flow, equity statements. Um, we differentiated the sole trader, partnership, and the company. We talked about, well, financial accounting and the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. And then we spoke a little bit about the balance sheet. We talked a little bit about value added tax. Yeah. And then we did about the double entry, a little bit about double entries.
Yes, well done. We discussed about double entry bookkeeping.
Mhm.
Okay. So, what is the difference between financial accounting and management accounting?
Okay. Management is planning, organizing, and the controlling of the financial activities. Financial accounting, however, is when a company is keeping track of the financial transactions.
Okay. So, what about the financial accounting? Is it internal or external?
Financial accounting is internal.
Uh, what about the management accounting then?
Management accounting. Oh. Okay, the management accounting that will be internal. Financial accounting that will be external.
Okay, management accounting is internal and financial accounting is external.
Yeah.
Okay, well done. Okay. What about the accounting equation? How many types of financial statement we prepare?
We have four financial statements: the profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and equity statement.
Okay. Yes, well done. What about the accounting equation? Assets equal to
Assets,
equal to
um, capital minus liabilities.
yes, asset equal to liability plus capital. Yes.
Okay.
So in well done. You well remember. Really well done. Great. So today we are moving forward and we'll discuss about. Can you see my screen? Yes.
No, I can't.
Okay, you can't. Just give me a minute. So I'll show you in a minute. I think so. Today our software really it was either from my side was issue or the software itself. I really struggle to fix it. Hope so will work now. So I'll share with you.
Okay.
Can can you see?
Yes, I can see now.
Oh great, that's good. So now if you log in later on Moodle
Mhm.
and we are doing unit 5, yes?
Yes.
So under the unit 5, we have, I'll upload all relevant resources today under
Okay.
Okay, this is our unit spec. It took us ages to fix the problem. Now, first, 1.1, we define the purpose of accounting and financial management in context of the tourism and hospitality industry, and critically analyze the difference between sole trader and partnership and limited company. Explain how financial software can support the hospitality business accounting function, which we'll discuss today. Double
Okay.
entry, how it will be used, and maintain the financial record. We discuss about the describe how to calculate and correctly account at VAT on VAT on
Purchases and
on
sales.
maintain the purchase and the sales. And we
Mhm.
discuss about the explain role of cash, and today our focus will be role of cash receipt and the payments and the bank reconciliation.
Okay.
I'll show you a little bit trial balance as well, which we'll go through, and um, and the next lesson will actually will prepare the trial balance, we'll prepare the financial statement as well, and we'll
Okay.
discuss the sources of finance. Then we'll do one lesson to just recap things as well.
All right.
So we'll start. So today first we are going to discuss about the software. In accounting, we have a different software we can use. Especially in hospitality industry, the software is called Opera. Opera
Okay.
is hotel management system, which is quite popular all over the world. We can use Opera software to manage our clients. Is a customer relationship management, and it helps us to maintain the business activities.
Okay.
And in accounting, specialized accounting software, one of them is called Sage. Sage Line
Okay.
50 accounting is quite popular. So Sage is so we'll discuss about Sage.
Mhm.
So this will little bit is a software. This is a clip link about what is meant by Sage. We'll watch what is meant by Sage and how
Okay.
many user of Sage. So just 1 minute. Okay. So that's about the Sage. Okay. The videos will go the further, different clips. So please,
Okay.
try to be just watching your bit, free time, please, and to get, more understanding about Sage. Sage
Okay.
software is a specific accountant in UK and around the world as well. It's used Sage to manage accounts. So developed in
Okay.
1981, currently over 800,000 customers use Sage, when I prepare the slide. So it's slightly every year, every day even is increasing. There's over 11,000 businesses in the UK use the Sage. ERP is called Enterprise Resource Planning Software. Use
Okay.
rent of big businesses, various sort of the businesses like one supermarket we call here is a Morrison, using this software as well to manage their accounts.
Okay.
Software is developed in the UK, especially for the UK market. Automatically provide customer with 45 days free. Just don't need to go through too much in detail, but we know the page. It helps us
Mhm.
provide training. It helps us to manage our stock. We can do a bit research, in the next lesson. So what you do try to be do a bit research, we and
Yeah.
other software we call Pexis, which is quite popular as well. But Sage is a slightly limited version, but the Pexis is a slightly higher version, which is used not only for the small businesses, it's used for the
Mhm.
big. Let's we'll try to be a watch little video about what is Pexis software about.
Okay.
So next we look in the Pexis. Let's we'll go through. So this is quite big software, yes. It's manage all
Yes.
sort of it's manage all sort of activities within hospitality industry, really all about, yes. It's not just
Yes,
only
it's very
accounting.
detailed.
It's quite good, to know.
Yeah.
And you can watch couple of more videos as well. I try to send you some links as well, and we'll go through. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
next we discussed in the previous lesson sole traders and partnership. So according to the R1 of learning outcome, we need to discuss about sole trader and partnership. What is the key difference between them? Sole trader is a one person business. In partnership, two or more, but less than 20. In some businesses, some countries, can be partnership up to 50. Capital
Okay.
contribute amount is can be contributed by one owner, but in case of partnership, each partner need to be contribution. But some partner can be we called sleeping partner, or we call nominal partner, or they're just name used in a partnership.
Okay.
Liability in both cases, partner always have an unlimited liability. In case of any losses, the lender can claim from the personal asset of the company as well, personal asset of the individual, not company, individual. Act sole trader is a no act, there is no particular legislation. As long somebody is doing legal and authentic activities, can start sole trader business. But
Okay.
partnership act in different country have a different years of act, but most of the country have a partnership act. You can look around in your own. I'm assuming we have a partnership act there as well. Partnership act in Malaysia in 1960, in UK as well, and rest of the world, different partnership act, in force.
Okay.
Legislation, no separate legislation, business entity, owner is responsible, risk and reward, but then uh, but the sole trader partnership normally is governed under partnership act, but no other legislation is follow. As long as authentic and legal activities depend upon the nature of the business, we can get the license, sometime, but no other specific legislation. Type of business can be laundry shops, mini markets, accounting firms like law firms, normally two, three partners. We are two, three accountants, we come together and we set up the partnership. We always decide, our profit and loss sharing ratio between us, and we can start a business.
Okay.
So this is called partnership. That's the main difference between partnership. Okay. Uh, then we have a two types of company. One is a private limited company. One is a limited company. Private limited company is company set up under Company Act. In UK we have a Company Act 2006. In Malaysia, in rest of the world, different Company Act. Every country follow different Company Act.
Yeah.
So public limited is the issue share to the public. Private can't issue share to the public. Normally have a private investors. We come together, we can set up the company, but normally we publish information on the public domain. We can submit information to the HMRC tax offices, but we can't, normally give information to the public.
Okay.
But the public limited company, they public because they registered in the stock exchange. They have to publish the account. That's a major difference between them.
Okay.
And like here, public limited company, minimum 2 and maximum unlimited. In the same thing, private limited, there is a no limit on the members. They can issue shares to the public. Private limited, they're not allowed normally. Both companies are listed. Normally, one is listed in the stock exchange, one is unlisted, but both is registered with the company house or registrar of
Okay.
the company. Financial information is a publicly is available. Public limited company have a right not to publish. If they want to publish, they can, but normally it's not compulsory for them. Liability,
Okay.
both companies have a limited liability in case of any losses, anything happens. So there is not a huge difference between them. So always so we can use it, both companies as a public or the private. We have a board of directors we can make, but normally the public is compulsory for that. We have a non-executive members, executive members. Next we looking budget, cash, cash receipt and cash payment is one of our learning outcome. Sorry, because today we start our lessons late, quite due to the issue was server, and explain the role of the cash receipt and the payment and bank reconciliation. So, role of cash receipt and payment. What is meant by the cash receipt?
um, cash that we receive for the goods sold, goods or services sold.
Hmm. Any example of cash receipt?
Uh, cash receipt.
Receiving cash from customer through cash sales. Yes.
Yeah.
Selling our asset, we receive the cash. So anything we receive as a cash, we call the cash receipts. Yes.
Okay.
Cash payment is any payment, like payment we have salary, wages, insurance, expenses. So each month we always manage how much is the cash inflow and how much is the cash outflow. How much cash came in the business, how much cash went out of the business.
Okay.
So that's called cash flow. What about the bank reconciliation? Have we heard about the bank reconciliation?
Yes, I have heard about it.
Okay.
That is where you are matching the balance of the entities, accounting records for cash accounts, and you are looking for, well, the differences or matches between the cash account and the bank statement.
Okay, good. Yes. So matching the cash reconciliation mean we are matching. Sometime we have a direct debit. We are paying money directly to customer, and then sometime our cash balance and the bank balance not match. Sometime we
Yeah.
paying some bank charges. Our cash balance not match with the bank balance.
Yeah.
So we reconcile where the difference we have and why we have. So
Okay.
which we'll go through theoretical questions as well. That will help us to clear more concept, theoretical as well as numerical.
Okay.
Okay. So can you see on the screen?
Yes,
Cash budget.
I can.
Cash
Yeah.
budget. Total receipts include cash sales, receipt from debtors, debtor mean our customers,
Mhm.
sales of fixed asset, receipts of interest, issue of new shares, any other fees, royalties, or income we receive. Typical payments include cash purchases, payment to creditors. Creditors mean our supplier to whom we bought our goods, but we haven't
Yeah.
made the payment at the time of the purchase. We made the payment, or we will be liable to make the payment in future days.
Mhm.
So payments for overheads, purchase of the fixed asset, payment of the dividend, interest, and tax.
Okay.
So cash budgets are prepared. Let's see, we have a cash budget this. We have a Brown and Co. has prepared the following forecast. Forecast is a 6-month forecast. And we are going to be, year is finished this 31st 12, we can say 31st 2017 for suppose. We're looking sale forecast. We are expecting each month sales 52,000, 45,000, all this,
Mm.
different sales. Then we have a
Mhm.
purchase. This month we are expecting to purchase. We are
Mhm.
expecting to pay the wages each month. We are looking the salaries each month and sundry expenses, all sort of other expenses. We make policies in our organization. Cash balance at the start of 1st October was 15,000. We looking 50% are debtors, are credit customer. We sold the goods on credit. They will pay 50% at the end of the first month, 50% they will pay
Mhm.
end of 2 months. So we're not receiving all the cash at the time of the sale. End of
Yeah.
the first month we'll see 50%. End of the second month they will pay us 50%. So in 2 months we're supposed to get the cash. So the
Okay.
month of July sales we are getting 50% in the month of July and 50% in the month of August,
Okay.
following month. So we'll make the budget how much the cash receipt will be in that month, how much the cash will be go out of the. Okay, so we have 50% purchases are purchased from one supplier who allow 10% discount. 50% of purchases. So 25,000, 50%, how much will be?
25.
50% of 25,000.
12,500.
Brilliant. On the 12,500, we'll get 10% discount. So it means we have to pay 50% of 12,500. Yes.
Yes.
The remainder 12,500 the following month we need to make the payment.
Okay.
So new equipment we bought, which we bought in November, so we need more cash in November.
Yes.
We can sometimes borrow the money, overdraft, we can look around where the money will come from. Because if we don't have a cash, we don't have a business. Cash is the lifeblood of any business, so we need to manage the cash. Receive
Yes.
payment. So this question is about to prepare the cash budget. 3 months ending 31st December. I have prepared, but please we'll go through the separate. I put it this template there.
Okay.
This template is help us to prepare the cash budget.
All right.
So we can put it like January, Feb, or we have a June, July, August, September, October. Yes.
Yes.
And we can put it if we have an opening balance any month. Can put it as a receipt there. We can look around the payment. Yes, payment is come all our expenses, and we can prepare our sales each month, and then we can transfer all these balance in our receipt and the payment column. Yes, so we can calculate. I'll show you the next where we prepared. Okay, this is one of we have this one. This one, second question, and we'll go through the. Okay, this one we have. Each month we are looking July, September, October, November, and December. So according to the question, how much we have for sales? So we're looking the sales. Sales we have July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes.
Yes.
We're putting July 1st. Yes.
Yes.
So first we can put all our sales template under the sales column. Let's July sales. Yeah.
Yes.
But we have to prepare the budget for 3 months. But because the reason is that the last 3 months it not mean we are receiving the 3-month money in 3 months. Yes, the previous month will receive in those months, or those months money will receive the following month. So that's why we must need to start from. So all the amounts of the sales there, policy 50% will get in the month of the sale, 50% will get the following month. Yes.
Yes.
So you see there, I put it 50% there, 50% following month.
Yeah.
August 50%, August sale 50% will go in September. September 50% October. Yes. So I added all the total there. So according to the question, we need to prepare October, November, and December budget cash.
Yeah.
So in the question, we already mentioned 15,000 at the opening balance. We have a sales. Through sales, if we look at the sales figure, total in October column, in October we have total our sales. How much?
4,500.
Yes, in 47,000 and 50,500. Yes.
Yes.
So then we add it all there under receipt columns. Yes.
Yes.
Last 3 months, because we have to prepare the 3 months budget, 3 months receipts and 3 months payment.
Yeah.
So opening balance was given, and we have a total receipt in that month 61,500. Then we will go through our payment, we know the purchases, how much we have, and we can prepare the template, like purchase, like sales, we can prepare the wage, our purchases as well. July purchases, policy is 50% payment we will make in the month purchase, but we'll get 10% discount.
Yes.
So 12,500 should be 50%, and we have to pay 10%. We are paying 90% of 12,500. Yes. So
Okay. Yeah.
90% is at 11,250, and in a
Mhm.
50%. So all the payments of these months, yes, according to the policy. In October, we supposed to make the payment of our purchases 28,400. In November, in December, we have only concerned 3 months. Yes.
Yes.
Then we have a policy. We pay weekly salary 1 month, 1 week arrears, or 2 weeks arrears. So if we'll divide it, 4,100 divided by 4 times by 3, we'll get, So we paying 3 weeks salary in month of July. 1 week
Yes.
salary will goes in the month of August.
Okay. Okay.
So we'll carry on doing, and we'll reach in the October, and it shows how much wages we're supposed to pay in October, how much we're supposed to
Mhm.
pay in November, and now in the payment column, we'll put all these, this is under the payment here.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, that's pretty easy.
did you get me?
Yeah, that's pretty easy.
Oh, yes, it's quite easy. Just a logic, just want to be. We have a purchases, we have a wages, we have a salary. Salary always fixed, wages always hourly basis. There is a
Yeah.
difference. Wages is a hourly, salary is a fixed.
Okay.
So, that's there. Then we have a sundry expenses each month. Yes, those are
Mhm.
given. We say given equipment which month. So we have a receipt minus payment. We remaining closing balance of that month.
All right.
Positive balance. That closing balance in the following month will be opening balance. Yes.
Yes.
So that receipt, now we have a total receipt in November. This will take out total payment, and the remaining we have a negative balance. We don't have a, yes,
Yeah.
overdrawn, so we need to borrow the money to fulfill the
Yeah.
requirement. In the following months, then we have a negative balance goes opening. Yes.
Yes.
Then we'll take, and we have a total receipt in the months. Then we have all the purchases, all this will total expenses. Still we have outstanding £2,465 in that month. Yes, we
Yeah.
use our draft. So in this way we can make how much is the receipt, how much is the payments. Okay.
Mhm.
So in your
Yeah.
assignment you can add any example like this to address it. Yes.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, well done. Great. So we finish our role of cash receipt and payment. So we can explain role of cash receipt and payment help us to monitor the cash, as example is mentioned in your task. So you can explain what type of the receipt can be, what type of the payment can be. You can discuss about bank reconciliation, matching the cash balance with the bank
With the
balance.
bank statement. Yeah.
So that's called bank reconciliation. We
Mhm.
can add some example, like sometime, bank charge the charges of our their services, and we don't
Mhm.
know. We are saying my balance should be this, in because we have a cash book in a company, cash register, where we keep the balance, how much cash we have in a bank. We always tally use it Y, and we reconcile, which is quite good to reflect, how much balance we have, how much balance we don't have. Yes.
Yeah.
Any question?
No questions.
Okay, well done. Next, I'll show you just quick next. We discuss about this. We'll go through next lesson, but I'll show you this. This is we have a You're a trainee accountant. For suppose you're working in a business, and land and building. Is it asset expense for the business?
Land and buildings, asset.
Asset. Well done. Motor vehicle, asset.
Asset.
Fixture fitting, asset. Asset always debit. Office equipment, asset. Bank is asset. Cash is asset. Sales is sales income. Yes, income goes on the credit side. Sale ledger control account mean our sale ledger control mean our debtors. Debtors mean
Okay.
our customer to whom we sold the goods on credit.
All right.
It's other way around. We can simply say our receivables. Yes.
Yes.
A capital, we have a sale return, purchases return. Purchase ledger control mean our supplier, but we not make the payment. These are our liability. Drawing mean to use money for personal. Insurance, advertising, these are expenses. Purchase return mean return. Subsistent mean we are giving discount to our customer. Subsidize mean
Okay.
discounted, our workers. Like if you're a
Mhm.
employees of in a hotel, you can get cheaper room, you will get discount.
Yeah.
Telephone is a charges. Count allowed is expense for the business. Carried
Yeah.
outward mean you paid the delivery charges. Discount received, make early payment, we have received discount. Carried inward is
Mhm.
the delivery charges we paid. Rates is mean the tax we paid. Bank charges, motor vehicle expense, accounting, training, postage, all these are expense. Bank interest
Yeah.
received, this mean we have a income bank, because bank paid us interest.
Okay.
So next now, in we supposed to prepare the trial balance. Okay.
Okay.
From this, we from these figure we supposed to pay make trial balance. Put it trial balance on what things will be on the debit side, what things will be on the credit side. And building should be debit side. Those are all assets. Expense goes on the debit side too. Liability income goes on the credit side.
Okay.
So I put
So
it
this is
all
where.
in.
So this is the This is the actual what you call a double entry account.
Yes, that's a double entry, two side. No, this is we are looking which one is a asset, which one is a liability. Yes. If my
Okay.
assets increase, against is my something other will be increased, either liability or capital.
All right.
Always cause and effect. Yes. Debit and credit.
Mhm.
So should be either debit or credit. Yes. So you
Okay.
see there, my debit side should be equal to my credit side. Is it
Yeah.
equal? My total when you will do,
Yeah.
and it will be equal. Yes.
Yes.
So that's all. From this, then we can prepare the all accounts. We can prepare the profit and loss.
So no, sir.
We can prepare
The balance
balance,
sheet.
balance sheet from it, because we're doing normal partnership and sole trader accounts. Prepare even
Mhm.
statement of change in equity or cash flow as well from this trial balance. Yes,
Yes.
or the balance sheet as well will help us to prepare the cash flow. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll send you this. You look around the questions. If you not get me, so please ask me.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for sending me assignment. Sorry, I was busy. I not managed to mark it, but I'll give you the feedback and then we'll submit it. Final assignment yours will be ready, and you're going to finish the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So today lesson we learn about what we learn.
Right. We just learned about the bank reconciliation, um, and of course the trial balance. We
Yes.
learned about the softwares, the
Hmm.
different accounting softwares like Sage and Pegasus,
Yes. Well done.
and the other one was Opera.
Yes, we discuss Oprah as well. Yes.
Right. Um.
Cash budget, cash receipt payment.
Yes. Cash receipts, cash payments. We did that. The difference between the sole trader partnership and the companies, the private companies and the public limited companies.
Well done, great. And that's all, really we learn, okay? And
Yeah.
please you look the questions all there. Everything is there, solved with the answers as well, yes?
Yeah.
Automatically help you. If not, we'll go through in the during our next lesson, okay?
Okay.
And we'll go through all,
All right. No problem.
Sorry for waiting today, yes?
That's no
And
problem. Sometimes these things happen.
Fatma not managed to join. I think so. There was a bit glitch, I
Okay.
was clicking some sharing and things, and it was, and you and my voice was a bit, struggling. And not, you was not hearing. I was hearing you and all background as well. So that's the issue. Okay.
Yeah.
So today we're not doing quiz. We'll try to keep our quiz for next lesson.
Yes.
Fatma, I need to go through with Fatma as well to revise.
Yes.
Then we'll go through.
All
Okay.
right.
Do you have my number?
No, I have Ramen's number.
Okay, just 1 second. I'll send you text. You can say if you need on WhatsApp, because you can send me as well. I can
Okay.
send you message in case like there was issue due to any reason if we are slightly or something.
Okay.
Normal we if there.
All right. Yes, I got it.
Okay, brilliant. Have a good weekend.
Same to you.
Okay, brilliant. We'll see you next lesson.
All
Thanks.
right.
Bye bye.
Bye.